Hey, welcome back to another repair video. Today, as you read in the title, we're working on a Suzuki Tempter. Junky little bike there. But, twist, I'm not going to be doing the work. My friend is. Nay, how much experience do you have working on vintage motorcycles?
I have zero experience working on any motorcycles.
We'll see how this goes. I'm sure it'll end well. Alright, so I'm going to start by explaining how this thing actually works. So, that silver thing, little machine up above it, that right there is your carburetor. So what that does is that feeds fuel into the thing with all the fins to the right. That's your cylinder. So that's got basically all the explosions and shit happening in there. Past it, the tube coming off, that's your exhaust. Keeps things from being too loud. And on this bike, we know that the whole thing hasn't ran in, I don't know, I mean the tire's like sideways. It's got like corrosion and stuff, so I'd say a couple decades at least. So, yeah. So first thing we're going to do, I don't know anything about this bike, but we're going to see if the electrical works, because if the electrical doesn't work, I don't want to fix it because that's a lot of work. Isn't that right, Nay?
Yep.
Yep.
Too much work.
We got our fitting crates. I got mine. Yeah, let's start. Alright, so you're going to put the key in that hole there, and we're going to try and get the seat up, hopefully get access to the battery, and hook it up to jumpers. See how she goes. Yep, so apply pressure and turn to the left, I think. Try not to break the key, then we're cooked.
I'm applying the pressure.
Yeah, try and like wiggle it real good. To the left. Put the pressure to the back of the seat, maybe.
Is that not the back of the seat?
No, it is. It's just like making funny noises because it's a shit seat. Is it doing anything?
Nope. I'm going to turn the key upside down.
Yeah. Maybe to the right instead of the left?
It's British. No, that didn't work either. Nope.
Well, alright, trade me with the cameraman here.
Okay. Still recording?
Yeah, so... I'm going to remove this cover because it's in the way, kind of.
That seems like that's fine.
Yeah, did you see the walnut fall out?
The walnuts.
Walnut.
Oh, it's an actual walnut?
Yeah.
Bruh. I thought it was like a nut, bruh.
Alright. Come on.
Another walnut?
Another walnut.
What the hell?
Is that? Oh, look at all those walnuts.
Dude.
Alright.
Dude, did you get this from a squirrel, dude?
Yeah, I bought it off a squirrel. Alright, we're gonna... I'm done asking nicely. So in here, this is not moving, so I'm gonna make it move.
What, the latch?
Yeah, so you see here, when I move this, it kind of moves that latch.
Yeah.
It's not actually moving enough to like...
To unhook.
Yeah. I hope we don't have to like cut off the seat or some shit. Come on. Oh, this is bad. I've never had a seat this...
What the hell, bruh? This guy fell through fucking squirrel world, dude.
Yeah, it is. Well...
That sounds like a good sound.
yeah.
Right there.
More walnut. More walnut.
Maybe that fixed it?
Yeah, that fixed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, Nay, your directions. That seat, it's not coming off. Just rip it up.
Just rip it directly
Yeah,
up?
don't cut yourself or anything. Pull hard. Harder. Put your back into it. It's like about to come off. It's great. Yep. Keep it. Keep going. Careful, the bike might fall on over. Oh, I get a pry bar.
So we get a bar?
Yeah, wait, hold on. Stay there. That's our problem.
What is our problem? The 10 million walnuts?
I wish. Alright.
There you go.
Here is our issue. Yeah, yeah, like that. Amazing. See, it like wants to come out.
So what was the issue? The seat was just rusted in?
I don't know. The mechanism's probably cooked because it's been not running for a trillion years.
Yeah.
Usually it's just you turn the key and the seat comes off.
I believe you.
Yeah,
It's connected to this?
Yeah, but that's what I've been pulling on the whole time, that cable. Because that cable goes to this mechanism, but the mechanism's frozen.
And this is connected to...
Hold on, sorry.
And this cable connected to this. Should we just unscrew this whole thing?
It wouldn't do anything. We're fighting with this cable. Or with the... In the back, if you look real far back here, there's a single bolt.
There's a what?
Actually, wait. Let me try and rip it off now that it's like done. Here, hold.
Oh, that's mostly ripped off.
Now it's mostly ripped off. Here,
Yeah. Yeah, right.
Sorry, I just had to flex on you guys. Look. Alright, so you see your mission. You have the car battery.
Yeah.
You have the regular battery.
Yeah. Wait, the regular battery
Go
is...
ham. Yep, right here.
This whole thing?
Yeah, yeah.
Do I
So
just plug it
negative.
in right here?
No, you got the negative here and the positive right there.
All the way off?
Yeah, all the way off. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Alright, and then connect that to
Anyway.
something. No, I go to the engine.
Okay.
Alright, and then put the key in. We'll see if it explodes or if it runs. In the ignition. There. And then wiggle it to the middle position. Sometimes it'll be hard, like... Oh, there you go, it's in the middle.
Okay.
And we see no lights, so that's not good. And look at that. Can you explain the problem, Nay? Why didn't it work?
There was a bunch of debris on the metal part, so we had to clear some of that and make sure there was better contact from this cable to that wire.
Yep. And now look, we have a dash. Oh, I clicked something. Here. Come on. Anyway, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna try and get this better connected so it doesn't keep doing this. And then we're going to hit the start button and see if anything happens.
Okay.
You can try and hit the start button, but my guess is that's gonna shut off.
Start burning.
There. Oh, it's doing nothing.
Okay.
No, why is it? Alright, start button is broken. What we're going to do instead is we are going to hotwire past the start button. You know what a relay is?
Sends a signal.
It's like a switch, like a light switch, but powered by electricity. So when you press the small switch on the handlebar, which doesn't do anything because it's broken, it sends a signal to this. Where is it? Wherever this plugs into. Right here. That guy. And trips a bigger switch that starts your starter motor. But what we can do is we can just turn that switch without hitting that button.
Okay.
So what you do there, you're gonna take this little thing, take it out of its little holder, like bring it out so we can touch it. Oh yeah, turn it off just to be safe.
Okay.
So you're gonna take it out because it's like rubber mounted or something.
Yeah.
Because we need to be able to touch. You see both those little posts, this one and then the one that's under the rubber boot.
Yep.
We need to be able to touch both those at the same time. Just press it in hard. It's gonna spark, but it won't get you. Nothing? No, you gotta be harder on that. Oh, you see how it zapped itself off? No lights?
Yeah.
You gotta get a better connection here. Yeah?
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah! Alright, that's it turning over. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That means it's fixable. That's really good news.
What
Hell
do you do
yeah.
about the seat?
I don't know, ride it without a seat. So, we know the engine turns over, which is what I was nervous of because this is a million years old and it's got squirrels and nesting in it.
In a nest.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to try and turn it over for longer. So hit it with that and see if it'll turn over for like 5 seconds. But hold Hold it. Alright, you can take it off. Cool. So we're going to take out the spark plug, see if we're getting spark. If we are getting spark, then we need to get fuel to it and it'll run. If we're not getting spark, then we give up because I don't want to fix spark on this. And whew.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Okay, what was that?
That was it, coming free.
Do my arms look huge?
Yeah, they look huge. Look at that. Damn.
Oh my god, right.
Just be careful once it breaks free. You don't want to bust your knuckle open on the exhaust. I can try it if you want.
Sure, yeah.
Alright. I did it. Alright, so if you can stick the other side again, we'll see if we get spark. I'm seeing nothing.
What?
Nothing.
I have nothing here. Nothing too.
Alright, Nate, you want to explain what we did here?
Sure, yeah. So, it wasn't, the spark plugs weren't igniting, so we looked through the electronics diagram.
Mm-hmm.
We saw that there was supposed to be power coming in through this specific wire. Used a multimeter to see if energy or if electricity was going through. That one wasn't. So now this is hot wired to this power source, so that when we connect these 2 points, that is receiving power now. So after we test that, we can see that the spark plugs are igniting now.
Perfect. Yeah, and let's give it a zap. That's it. There she is. Alright, cool. Yeah. Alright, it's time for the moment of truth. So the setup, we have jumper cables. We have our extra jumper cable for our spare spark wire. We have one plug out because this has a massive vacuum leak, so it's not going to run anyway. So we're going to get some more cranking speed by just having one cylinder running. Our gasoline's hooked up on an IV, so I'm going to start that going. And then, yeah, we have Nay on the starter fluid. So go ahead and give it a 2-3 seconds. That's good.
Okay.
All right, and then
Did you pick this up?
yeah, let me finish fueling it up. Let me know if you see any fuel coming from the bottom, by the way.
To the bottom?
Yeah, is it?
No, I don't see it.
Cool. Then yeah, go ahead and hit it with the crank.
Press it?
Yep.
Oh, I'm just gonna use this instead.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Oh. Hold on. Come on.
Fuse.
No, it's just this being stupid. All right, try it.
Okay.
Harder. Make sure you're not hitting the frame when you're doing that too. Just the 2 posts.
Do you have...
You heard that shit?
Yeah, is that a good sign?
How is it firing? Yeah, keep going.
So it works?
I mean, I want to hear it run, but yeah, keep going. Oh no, why is it being dead now?
Oh.
Hit it.
Wow. That's
All that work for that. Wait, let's see if we can actually get it running. Keep going. Keep going. Maybe not. Well, Nay,
Well, it ran.
it did run. What a piece of junk.
Pretty fun.
And that right there is how you get a vintage motorcycle running. Obviously we're not riding it because it's junky. You know, if we were to ride it, we'd probably want like brakes
And a
such.
seat.
And a seat and a gas tank. That one's rusted, by the way. That one's garbage. But yeah. So if you want to fix a vintage motorcycle, you just gotta hot wire past it. Add gas. Clean the carb. Run on one cylinder with one spark plug out, and yeah.
Break the idle stuff.
Yep, breaks 0 out of 2 idle circuits running. That's why it ran so good. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Yeah, pretty cool. Take care.